Welcome to my Exam 3 mini video number 2. Today I will talk about Nirenberg and Matthaei and Nirenberg and letters experiments and findings. First, let's talk about Nirenberg and Matthaei. Nirenberg and Matthaei wanted to crack life's code, and they wanted to determine if a specific RNA could code for a certain amino acid and protein. For their experiment, they took 3 elements. The first one was poly-U, which consists of a bunch of U's. The second one was cell-free extract. The cell-free extract was contracted from E. coli cells by mashing them up and taking the cytoplasm and DNA from within. And the last was 20 amino acids, one being radioactive at all times. Once they had their formula, they took 20 test tubes, each one containing a different amino acid. They then proceeded to add poly-U and a cell-free extract to each. Meanwhile, they rotated which amino acid was radioactive every single time. But the thing was, when they got to phenylalanine, it came back when they scanned all the proteins out of it that the proteins were also radioactive. This was a giant discovery because if the proteins are radioactive, then the specific RNA, which in this case was poly-U, coded for that protein. Now let's talk about Nirenberg and letters experiment. In their triplet binding experiment, they wanted to determine what other codons would code for amino acids. They did this with the use of tRNAs. Their experiment also consisted of 3 elements: a trinucleotide, a ribosome, and 20 charged tRNAs, each tRNA having an amino acid attached with one being radioactive. They would then filter the liquid containing the 3 elements, and they would examine the filter paper to see if it was radioactive. If the filter paper was radioactive, then that means that the trinucleotide codes for the radioactive amino acid. All in all, Nirenberg and Matthaei found 3 codons: U, 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 C, 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 and A, 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 all which code for specific amino acids. And Nirenberg and Letter found 61 codons, all coding for specific amino acids. That basically sums up the Nirenberg and Matthaei and the Nirenberg and Letter experiments. Thanks for watching.